What is Business Rocket? Welcome to Business Rocket, where entrepreneurial dreams take flight. At Business Rocket, we're more than just a company. We're a launchpad for your business aspirations. Picture a rocket poised on the launchpad, fueled with innovation, determination, and support, ready to soar into the vast expanse of success. So, what exactly is Business Rocket? It's a dynamic platform designed to propel aspiring entrepreneurs towards their goals through a comprehensive suite of resources, guidance, and community support. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur looking to expand your ventures or a budding innovator with a game-changing idea, Business Rocket is your ultimate partner in the journey to success. Go to Business Rocket today. Link in video description. Here are just a few benefits of joining Business Rocket. Expert guidance. Gain access to a network of seasoned entrepreneurs, industry experts, and mentors who will provide invaluable insights, advice, and guidance tailored to your unique business needs. Comprehensive resources, from business planning and strategy development to marketing, finance, and beyond. Our extensive library of resources equips you with the knowledge and tools necessary to navigate every stage of your entrepreneurial journey. Community support. Join a vibrant community of like-minded individuals who share your passion for entrepreneurship. Exchange ideas, collaborate on projects, and forge valuable connections that will last a lifetime. Opportunity access. Unlock exclusive opportunities for funding, partnerships, and collaboration through our extensive network of investors, accelerators, and industry partners. Personalized support. No two businesses are alike, which is why we offer personalized support and guidance tailored to your specific goals, challenges, and aspirations. Who is Business Rocket suitable for? Aspiring entrepreneurs. If you have a business idea burning inside you, but don't know where to start, Business Rocket provides the perfect launchpad to turn your vision into reality. Existing businesses. Whether you're looking to scale your operations, enter new markets, or pivot your business strategy, Business Rocket offers the resources and support you need to take your venture to new heights. Entrepreneurial enthusiasts. Even if you're not yet ready to launch your own business, Business Rocket welcomes enthusiasts who are passionate about entrepreneurship and eager to learn from seasoned professionals. Join Business Rocket today and let us help you turn your entrepreneurial dreams into a reality. Together, we'll reach for the stars and beyond. Link in video description to explore Business Rocket. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.